Good morning, guys. It's time to start another day in LA. So guys, I have a guest coming to stay with me. They flew in. And my suitcase all over the place, but they will be okay. I'm about to go down and get them now. Look who it is! It's Brandon! He came to keep me company. Here we are, guys. My makeup is done. I've been loving my shortcut. Pop some curls in it, and then like throughout the day, it's just loose. Makeup is just really glowy. Yeah. I love this shortcut on me. Right, Brandon?
I like it. It's cute.
Alright, so I got my bag and we're headed out to take pictures. I have a phone call at 3:30, so we're just gonna go get a little snacky snack or something, and then I'm gonna see, we need to be at the place at like 5 o'clock. The place that we want to go to, it's a vegan restaurant. They said even if you're not vegan, this is the best place to try it. It's super bomb, the best place ever. It opens up at 5, and they said the dinner time is the best time to go. So I'm gonna try vegan. You guys know I love meat, but I'm down for trying. I'm down for trying. All right, I told you guys I had a meeting at 3:30, so what time is it? 3:02, just in time to get our Taco Bell. We got these Skittles freezers from Taco Bell. It was around the corner, and tacos, quesadillas. Out of breath. We took, well, yes. I got some pictures, some nice pictures. So go like my pictures on the gram. Let's try it. I'm always trying some drink out here.
That's good.
I don't know if it tastes like no Skittle now.
It definitely don't taste like Skittle. It tastes like fruit punch.
It does.
Alright, so I got juke. What type of bagel flies?
Bagel that flies. Bagel fly.
Jayla.
Bagel that flies. Oh, cream cheese fly.
A plain bagel. Okay, I'm corny, ain't I? That was funny though. Tell the truth. What type of bagel flies? A plain bagel? Okay.
I got one. Damn, I just said
You don't got it.
Hold on. What does a bear say when it's full?
I don't know.
Say something.
What does a bear say when it's full?
I made up anything.
Okay, what does a bear say when he's full? I ain't hungry.
I'm stuffed.
And I was close because I said I ain't hungry, so like
I'm stuffed. The teddy bear.
I get it.
I did a quick outfit change. This is what I'm wearing tonight because whatever we're gonna be doing, I hope it's gonna be like chill. Right now we're about to head to Roscoe's Chicken. The vegan place I wanted to try, you have to have a reservation. I made a reservation for tomorrow, but I may even have to cancel that because tomorrow's just such a long day. But we'll see. I'm gonna show you my outfit. They have a little mirror on the back of the door here. Can you even see? So I have on this set right here. I love sets. And we may be going bowling tonight. So this is the only thing I had in my suitcase that like kind of resembled like maybe I'm going bowling. What I do know is that OT Genesis is hosting he's throwing the bowling party, so we may or may not be able to get in with all the people that we want to get in with. We'll see. Right now we're going to Roscoe's Chicken. I'm meeting up with another like YouTuber. She's here in town too. I'm like just trying to meet up with everybody. Like, hey bitches. Oh, tomorrow I'm meeting up with somebody too. Every day I'm meeting up with somebody. I don't know why I keep saying, yeah, tomorrow. We at today. Brandon, you ready?
We lit.
Brandon told my son, I wish I had somebody to call to figure out what we doing. You need to figure out what we doing. He slept for 2 hours.
Y'all was tired.
I woke Brandon up. I said, yo, we getting out. We're leaving now. I just said, I don't care. I drive around just to drive. We're getting out of here. Got me fucked up. It's time to go.
Jayla got me on this long ass flight, yo. That's the problem.
Okay. We at the door ready to go. Brandon, bathroom check is over. Ready to go.
I tried to stay you far from me. Someday we gon' set it off.
I know when I be complaining about like, oh my god, I'm in traffic, like it's so many cars. Y'all probably be thinking, girl, that ain't no dang on traffic. You are not in no traffic. You are in regular people car driving. But this is a lot of cars. Why are we not moving? Why are we not moving? Be Simone verse. This sun though is killing me. Like, how do y'all drive when the sun is directly this way? I mean, I feel like I need shades on. I need the visor down.
I forgot my shades. I'm looking like a rich bitch.
All right, so I'm trying to go to Roscoe Chicken. It's nowhere to park. What do I do when it's nowhere to park? What's that?
Red.
Oh. Wait. Ooh, is he leaving? Please leave. Please leave. Ooh, we got a spot because I don't know how to parallel park too well. But if he leave, oh, he not cranking up his car though.
Wait, remember we said don't rush him.
Okay. When I say this was the hardest thing of ever, trying to get this dang on car here. I did it though. I did it. I did it. I did it on my own. Well, I had to have Brandon directing.
I parked this car, yo.
I did it. So this is my evening time fit or whatever. I'm gonna go to bowling, OT Genesis bowling park. Yeah, we about to go eat. Well, it's a wait till I may not stay that long. We'll see. Let's go. Alright guys, so I am now at Roscoe's Chicken. The wait is over. The food is here. And guess who I'm with? Posh! So we're here at Roscoe's. We're eating. Of course, Brandon is here. And you got a piercing right here. Yeah. I know. I mix my you got me saying cornbread. I mix my macaroni and cheese with yams. And she over here mixing cornbread, and macaroni and cheese, and collard greens. She gonna say I'm nasty. What is that?
Yeah, y'all both really nasty.
People mix.
Like really,
they
like our food separate. So I mean, I eat
that's
my food separate.
Another successful parallel parking. Parallel parking. Woo, 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 woo. We in here. We in here. We in here. What? We in here. We in here. I did it, guys. I parallel parked again.
The songs.
So let's go ahead and
I gotta use the bathroom for everything.
I know. Everything.
I gotta use the bathroom.
I gotta use the bathroom. Yes. Hello, cutie. No, come back. Come back. Why are you hiding?
Oh my god, you are so cute.
Showy dirty. I'm just a cutie.
Get all the girls.
Yeah. Try outfits. Ooh, ooh.
Thank you to all you motherfuckers, man, for coming out, man, and just getting drunk with a nigga, man.
Oh, bitch, this cake smells like butter, bitch.
This is called like it's called K Crave. Okay. So we got a crepe over here with strawberries and bananas in it. Is it good? Oh my god. And look what I have. Nada yet. I'm still waiting.
Those shrimps supposed to be popping though. Where?
It come with fries too.
There's some ketchup. We gotta
Look at her. She just mad. She just want her.
solid.
Okay. Okay. Woo,
I'm
look
excited.
what Corey got.
You're so cute.
Salmon,
That actually sounds. That really good.
Corey, you can eat, huh?
Thank you so much. So I said, Pop, miss us. And then you start barking. I heard you. Yeah. Yeah. So excited.